Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Real quick before we get into today's vlog, I want to tell you about this amazing swimming pool that the kids are having so much fun in, that comes from a company called Substanboo. Now Substanboo is a company that caters to mainly a lot of swimming pools, and this beauty is from them. As you guys can see, the kids are having so much fun. I'm going to go ahead and tell you all that you need to know so that you can enjoy the summer and be summer ready like we are in this swimming pool. And oh, you'll also get percentage off when you buy the swimming pool at the link down below. Now as you guys can see, I am outside about to install the swimming pool. I'm just making sure right now that I put down something before I put the swimming pool on top of it, because I just want to make sure that it's in a good position for the kids not to slip and stuff like that, and just make sure that there's nothing on the floor for it to pierce the swimming pool. As you guys can see, I'm opening up the swimming pool right now just to make sure that I have enough space for it, and luckily the space is just right. It's perfect for the swimming pool. Now when you're installing your swimming pool, you need to also make sure that the part that you're going to inflate the swimming pool is at the right angle, because I made a mistake and did have to turn my swimming pool. So as you guys can see, I'm inflating the swimming pool right now with the inflatable pump that comes with the swimming pool. And this swimming pool is pretty easy to install. It comes with a manual, so you don't have to worry about it, and the pump is amazing that it comes with. As you guys can see, the installation is pretty simple, and I'm very happy about the installation. I'm just checking right now to make sure that it's sturdy enough and everything is okay, and make sure that it's not against anything to damage it and stuff like that, which is very important because you don't want anything to pierce the swimming pool. So I'm showing you a close-up of the pump. So this is what the pump looks like, and it inflates in 3 stages and deflating the exact same way. And on the swimming pool, it have all the warning signs and stuff that you need to do and what not need to do, and we're good to go. Now we are filling the swimming pool with water. You need to ensure that you have a hose, which we didn't, but we have a pipe right there, so we managed to fill it up as much as we need. The package that the inflatable swimming pool is in, and I'm just going to go ahead and discover with you guys exactly what it looks like. So as you guys can see, it came in a very durable box. That's what inside of it is looking like. It folds really nicely and fits properly inside the box. Inside the package also have an instruction manual of how to set up the swimming pool, so you don't have to worry about how to set up this swimming pool. The plastic seem very durable. Pool doesn't come with a pump, however it has a card inside of it that you need to contact a specific email to redeem a free ear pump. Now a free electric ear pump, and it comes directly to you very fast within a few days. So be mindful of that when you order your inflatable swimming pool. Now I went ahead and got my pump, and this is what the pump looks like. It's an electric ear pump. It came very fast. So now that I got my pump, I'm going to go ahead and install this swimming pool. Instruction manual inside of the swimming pool box, and there's also an instruction manual inside of the ear pump box, so you don't have to worry about installation. The information is very clear inside here. Let's go and install this swimming pool outside right now. So make sure that you guys go ahead and click the link down below to get percentage off to purchase this amazing swimming pool. The kids have so much fun. They did not want to get out, even though it was a little bit chilly in the water, but they had an amazing time, and I think it's a really good thing to have, especially for the entire family to enjoy. So click the link down below and get percentage off when you're ordering this swimming pool. And can I tell you guys that it came very fast in the mail, so go ahead and click the link down below and order your inflatable swimming pool. morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm talking to you from my personal pool on the veranda outside in the garden with the kiddos. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Sarah loved the water, but Tyler is checking out because it's cold. I literally put hot water in here, but it's cold. You hear Sarah? Sarah's having so much fun. You love water so much. You love water so. And Tyler is a chicky. Watch Tyler. No, stop. So you're orange. Oh, the yellow thing her? Yeah.
You have to get just a bit from there.
Goody, Sarah. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Mama, I found my kids on the pool.
Okay. Oh, no. Hey. No.
I wish you that cool. Say no.
Tyler and his best friend. Look at the two of them. Cool. Thumbs up. Voilà. Au revoir. I have been busy trying to get some work done. Tyler is here with his best friend over for today. Sarah is taking a nap. Sarah had so much fun in that pool and she's just out cold napping. She's been napping for the past almost 3 hours. So she's enjoying that. Baby's also rested and I'm just here working and looking over the kids. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the make sure you guys use up the percentage down below to make sure you go and get your swimming pool. The kids have so much fun. Sarah did not want to get out. Oh my god. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog, and if it's first time to the channel, be sure that you guys subscribe and catch me and keep up with the fam bam. Little Miss Water Baby is awake. She cried blood to get out of that swimming pool earlier. Fell asleep for 3 hours. Look at her. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Look at her face. She ain't even looking at me. Sarah. Oh. Say cuckoo. Say hi. Hi. Give Mama a kiss. Mwah. I love you.
Car.
I love car. Yeah, good girl. Car. What color is the car?
Car.
What color is it?
Yellow.
Very good. Good girl. Yellow. You know all your colors?
Horses. Yellow.
Very good. That's yellow. That is yellow. Look who is here just chilling and rolling and strolling on the floor. What you doing, girl? Okay, you guys, my husband, my sweet man, wasted no time with trying to get physical. Okay, let's go find him. Oh. He's walking and watching TV. What a good thing the TV came around. Oh, you're watching your phone. So you're watching your phone and you're watching TV same time. Here's something else. You have your watch on to monitor things. Good job. How is it so far?
Easy.
I mean, you feel like you're struggling?
Nothing was there.
Okay, just you physically can feel the heaviness? It will get better. Even when you continue, don't worry. Let's keep at it.
Yeah, 5 and 3.
Okay, okay, you're doing uphill.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But otherwise, it's okay.
Don't worry, in a few months you'll be running. Oh yeah, slowly.
That's walking 180 calories already.
Oh yeah, you're doing good. Already? How much minutes gone?
32 minutes.
Okay, cool, you're doing good. Doing good. Let's go find Tyler and his friends, see what they're doing around here. Why are you light over there on the step?
Because we are going there, but we...
Oh, under?
Yes, we don't have enough of light.
Okay, but you know it soon turn off because the battery won't last if it don't plug in. So what you can do is plug it in. Never plug out that one. Okay? Yeah. What you can do is plug it back in where it was and put it under the bed. Look at this tornado room. Ça va, Adam?
Oui. Adam, ça va?
Tu t'amuses bien?
Oui.
Oui.
Attends, ça va pas tarder à avoir pris de batterie. De quoi? La lumière. Je vais la remettre là-bas.
Plug it back in, Ty. And put it under through that hole right there. Yes, that hole.
Est-ce que je peux dormir ici?
Demande à ta maman. Si elle a dit oui, mais oui. Ok?
Oui. Oh, mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
He asked me if he can sleep here tonight, but he have to ask his mom. So when his mom comes to get him, then we'll know. Anyway, you guys, oh, I've been just working. Where's my daughter? I only hear her voice, I don't see her. She cheering on Papa. Yes, you have a cheerleader, babe. You have a cheerleader. Okay, you guys, so I didn't show you guys dinner, so that's dinner for Sarah, rice and salmon, and for the two boys, Adam and Tyler, and Babe and I are gonna have the same thing, but our salmon is not ready yet. My plate, Babe plate is almost ready. I'm just waiting on the rest of the salmon. But yeah, it's dinner. Dinner time. Dinner time. You're welcome, baby. The face didn't see you much today, and now you're going to bed. Look at her. She's pointing on all the photos. Who is that?
Bye-bye!
Come tell Papa night night.
Bye-bye!
Tell Papa bye bye.
Oh, she's in her son.
Say Papa bye bye.
Fais-moi Papa.
Mwah. Zoom.
She loved Jesus. She loved Jesus. Lord have mercy.
À demain, au revoir.
Say papa bye bye. She plays so. She loves. I have it. Come, tell Faves night night. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. She want her pussy. You're gonna sleep here. This is where you're gonna sleep. Go. You're gonna sleep here. Is this your Gina? She said finish. You finish? Say bye bye. Tell them bye bye. Tell them bye bye. Head, shoulder, knees, and toe. Alright, let's go to bed.